Hello everyone and welcome back to the Rightbound channel. Today we are going to be looking and unboxing this square clock 510. Going to set it up, get it to work and see how it works. This is a budget alarm clock and you can purchase this from our eBay stores. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in one of them. Before we continue, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So let's go ahead and open this up. So we can see here from the box, we've got an illustration here of what the clock looks like. It's a square clock 510. On the side, we've got functions, LED backlight, LCD clock with calendar, digital thermometer, alarm with music, snooze function, chronograph countdown time, music play, birthday reminding, and birthday song. Wow, okay, let's see how that works. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So as we open the box, we can see here the clock, this one in white. And let's just open this up. So it does not come with batteries, so we'll get some batteries for it. And inside the box, what else have we got? We've got an instruction manual, and let's get this out of the way. So the instruction manual is in Chinese and as well as in English on the other hand. So looking at the clock here, so this is made all out of plastic. It's got the LCD screen here at the front. We've got this transparent line that goes around, and this will illuminate when you have the batteries. We've got some buttons here in the front, mode, set, light, down and up. And at the back, we've got the battery compartment here that we can see. So let's get some batteries on and set this up and look at the functions. Okay, so we will need some AAA batteries. So the batteries are not included. So let's put in the batteries. And as such, okay, we've got the batteries on. And let's close up the battery compartment. Okay, it's got a sound that it's making as I have put on the battery. So now we have to adjust the time, the month, date, the day, and it's got the temperature here, and then we'll look at some other features. So these are very simple to operate. For us to set the correct time and date, we need to tap here or press here on mode. And here we can actually select if we want to display in 24-hour mode or 12-hour mode. So in this case, I'm going to set it to 24 by pressing the down button here on this side. So once I've done that, press set, and now we are going to change here or update here the time. So use the up button here to change the time. So let me double check what time it is right now. So it's currently 11:01. So I'm going to set this here to 11:01. And then I'm going to press on set again. So the minutes, I'm actually going to set it to 11:02, set again, and I'm going to set now the year. Let's put this up to 2023. Press set again. Now we have to select the month. So we are in June. Set again to select the day. We are on the 6th of June. Set again, and this will take me back to the main menu where I've got the 24-hour set again. So I'm gonna press on mode so it changes to alarm, and here I can set up what time I want the alarm to fire. So I'm gonna press on set and I'm going to select 8 a.m. and I'm going to select set again, and here I can choose how many times I want to snooze. I only want to snooze it once. So press set again and then mode. So my alarm has now been set, and mode again. So it also has a timer. I don't want the timer. And as I've set it now, the alarm will fire tomorrow at 8 a.m. It's currently 11:03. So the date is set to 6/06. It's Tuesday, and the current temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. So I can now turn on the light if I want. So if I tap on, or if I press on light, it lights up blue, as you can see here, and then it turns off. So basically, if you wake up in the middle of the night, it's dark, you want to see the time, just press here on light and it will shine blue. Okay. What else can we change here? So if you press on the set button here, it will change from Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So we use degrees Celsius here. I'll leave it as it is. Lights, as I told you, it just brightens up, so it turns on the light for the clock. If we press the down button, it plays a sound. If we press the up button, it actually shows the snooze here at the top. I'm gonna turn off the snooze, and let's go back into mode. So if we go back into mode, it shows the 24 hours. Then mode again, it shows the alarm. And then if we press mode again, you can actually set a specific time for the alarm to fire at a specific time and date. So here, basically, you just select the alarm time. Let's say, for example, I want this to fire at 7 a.m. Press set again, set again. Now I'm going to select the year that I want it to fire, which is 2023. And then set again. So I want this to fire at, in June. And I want it to fire on the 7th of June, set, and that's done. So it's going to fire tomorrow at 7 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. So I select mode again, and I've got a timer. So with the timer now, if I press set, I can set a timer here. Let's say, for example, 2 hours. Press set again, and the timer now starts the countdown. So it's going to fire the alarm in about 2 hours. So this is pretty useful if you go to bed and you say to yourself, right, I want to sleep 8 hours. So I am going to set my alarm for 9 hours from now, because I might just wake up in the middle of the night, and I want to have that into account as well. Or you can just set the 8 hours sleep and it will fire after that time. Okay. So I can, if you press set again for the timer, it will just reset the timer, and you don't have to be running the timer. And let's go back here to the alarm. So as a test now, I'm gonna set the alarm to go off in about 1 or 2 minutes, and let's hear how that works. So basically, press set again, and it will take you to the alarm menu. Here, set, and I'm going to change the alarm to 11 and 11:10 and set. What time is it now? Just want to double check. So it's 11:06. Actually, let's set it to 11:08. So if I go to mode again to the alarm, set, and let's go to 08, set, and let's go out. So at 11:08 it should fire, and let's hear how it sounds. So it's got a little speaker here at the back. And this is a budget alarm clock, as I mentioned. It's available for sale. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in one of these. They're very, very small, quite handy. You can carry it around if you're traveling and you don't want to use your phone as an alarm. You can use one of these. And here we go. So it's now firing up the alarm. And from here, to turn it off, just press on the up button or the down button, and it will turn off the alarm. This is it for this alarm clock. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please do hit that like button, and please do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Take care.